Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I'd like to talk to you about dental composite fillings. A filling is a way to restore a tooth that is damaged by decay back to its normal function and shape. When you get a filling from the dentist, the decay will be removed, the affected area will be cleaned, and then it will be filled. Depending on the size of the filling placed, you may have sensitivity for a short period of time. We recommend waiting to eat or drink until the anesthetic wears off to avoid biting or burning yourself. It is important to brush and floss 2 times a day, as fillings can get decay at the margin as bacteria tends to build up in this area. It is recommended to visit the dentist every 6 months for a checkup so current fillings can be monitored. Most single fillings can be completed within 15 minutes, and small fillings can be done without anesthetic. For more information on how we can provide fillings for you at our office, please call Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.